Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Identities. Test Yourself, Chapter 12. This is found on page number 161. Multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. If a is positive and a square plus 1 by a square is equal to 18, then the value of a minus 1 by a is which of these? Okay, so we have to find the value of a minus 1 by a. So let's take the square of that, that is a minus 1 by a the whole square. Now we are going to use the identity, that is a minus b the whole square. So this will be a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this formula we're going to apply here. That means a is going to be just a and b is going to be 1 by a. So now we are going to use this formula and apply all this then. So here this is going to be now, like I said, a is a and b is 1 by a. Okay, so based on this, a is a and b is 1 by a, and we're going to now substitute wherever we need to. Now a square will simply be the same a itself here, so I'm going to write a square plus b square, and b is 1 by a, 1 by a the whole square minus 2 into a into 1 by a. So let me write it a little this side. Now let's simplify this further. So this will be a minus 1 by a the whole square. We're going to leave it as it is. We're going to simplify the other part. So this is a square plus 1 by a square. That is 1 square, which is 1, and a will be a square minus. Now let's cancel. I can cancel these two. So here it becomes minus 2. And this we already know, a square plus 1 by a square is given to us, that's 18. It's given to us in the question itself. So we're going to substitute and write. Now this will be the same, 1 by a the whole square is equal to, instead of this, instead of a square plus 1 by a square, we're going to write 18, which is there in the question. So 18 minus 2. So a minus 1 by a the whole square is 16, 18 minus 2. So we have to find only a minus 1 by a, not the square of it. So to find that, we have to find the square root of 16. And what is the square root of 16? 4. 4 fours are 16. So a minus 1 by a is equal to 4, and that is option A. Question 2. X plus y into x minus y into x square plus y square into x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. What is all this equal to? So let's go slowly and take the first two binomials. X plus y into x minus y. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. It's the same thing, isn't it? The first term and the second term are the same here, and one is addition, one is subtraction. Now what is this equal to? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So if this is also the same format, this will be equal to x square minus y square, isn't it? So what we have got here is, we have worked this out and we have got this. Now let's take the second one along with this. So the next binomial is this. Let me write it along with this here. X square plus y square. So here again, can you see, we have the same term. The first term is x square, the second term is y square. Again, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. So this is a and this is b. What will our answer be? This will be a square minus b square. So here we know we can apply the law of product where we can add up the powers. Here, when one power is raised to another power, we multiply the powers. So here 2 into 2. So this becomes x to the power of 4 minus, here also you can multiply the powers. 2 into 2 is y to the power of 4. So what do we have now here? X to the power of 4 minus y to the power of 4. Now let's take the last binomial, which is this. So here, this is one binomial. We have another binomial, x to the power of 4 plus y to the power of 4. Now can you see that this is also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. This will be a, this will be b. The terms are the same. One is addition, one is subtraction. That means this is equal to a square minus b square. So if this is a, then a square will be, so this is in the place of a square will be x to the power of 4 square minus y to the power of 4 square. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. So now again we have a power raised to another power multiply. So here we have x to the power of 4 into 2 is 8 minus y to the power of 4 into 2 is 8. So what is our final answer? X to the power of 8 minus y to the power of 8, which is option C. Question 3. The value of 102 into 98. Now we can make this simpler. 102, I can write it as 100 plus 2, isn't it? So 100 plus 2 is 102. Now 98, I can write it as 100 minus 2. So 100 minus 2. So now we have this in the form of a plus b into a minus b, where the first term is the same in both and the second term is the same in the both, but this is addition and this is subtraction. So when we have this, here we say a square minus b square. So here a is 100, so it is 100 square minus b is 2 square. So 100 square is, you add 2 more zeros, you get 10,000 minus 2 square is 2 2s are 4. So when you minus these, 9,996. This is our answer and that is option D. Question 4. Here we have x plus 3 into x plus 3. So that becomes x plus 3 the whole square, isn't it? X plus 3 the whole square twice, minus x minus 2 into x minus 2, which becomes x minus 2 the whole square. Now we know the formula for a plus b the whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now here if we take the first one, x plus 3 the whole square, it is in this format. So in this case, x plus 3 the whole square, in this a is equal to x and b is equal to 3. So let's substitute. So a square, here the formula is a square plus b square. So a square means x square plus b square means 3 square plus 2ab, that is 2 into x into 3. So x plus 3 the whole square will become x square plus 3 square is 9 plus 2 into 3, 6x. So this is only x plus 3 the whole square. In the same way, let's take x minus 2 the whole square. So that will be in the form of a minus b the whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is equal to x and b is equal to 2. So let's use that now. So that will be x minus 2 the whole square is equal to a square, which is x square, plus b square, b is 2, so 2 square minus 2 into x into 2, because b is 2. So here this is equal to x square plus 2 2s are 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4x. So here we have x minus 2 the whole square is this. Now here what does it say? It says x plus 3 the whole square minus x minus 2 the whole square. That means x plus 3 is this answer, x minus 2 is this answer. We have to subtract these two. So in that case, let's write it down. X square plus 9x plus 6x. Where did I get this from? I got it from here, because it is x plus 3 the whole square, this part. Now minus, so I need to write minus. I'm going to subtract, so I'm going to put it in columns and I'm going to write x minus 2 the whole square. That is x square plus 4. So plus 4, and that is only 9. It's not 9x, plus 4 minus 4x. Now to subtract this, I need to change all the signs. So plus here becomes minus, this plus becomes minus, and this becomes plus. So now here look at the first one, x square minus x square gets cancelled. Then we have 9 minus 4, which is 5, and here we have plus, both are plus signs, so we add it up. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 10x, 5 plus 10x or 10x plus 5, and that is option A, 10x plus 5. Question 5. If 5 is equal to 30 square minus 25 square, the value of A is which of these? Okay, so here 30 square minus 25 square, it is this formula, isn't it? A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B, the difference of squares formula, A plus B into A minus B. So here 30 square minus 25 square will be A is 30 and B is 25 into 30 minus 25. So here we know that this is equal to 5A, that is this is equal to 5A. So we're going to write 5A is equal to, now let's simplify this, 30 plus 25 is 55 into 30 minus 25 is 5. So 5A is equal to, when you multiply 55 by 5, you get 275. Now we can find the value of A. We can say A is equal to 275 divided by 5. And so A becomes 275 divided by 5, which is 55. So this is our answer, which is option C. Question 2, evaluate. In this, the first one is 3x plus 1 by 2 into, since there's no sign here, it's understood it's multiplication, into 2x plus 1 by 3. Now here can you see the first term is different in both the binomials. The second term is also different, so we cannot apply any identity here. So what are we going to do? We're going to do direct multiplication. That means multiplication of binomials, where we multiply the first term with the whole of the second term and the second term of the first binomial with the whole of the second binomial. That is, I'm going to take 3x from the first binomial and I'm going to multiply it with the whole of the second binomial, that is 2x plus 1 by 3, and I'm going to take 1 by 2, that is plus 1 by 2, which is the second term of the first binomial, and multiply the whole of the second binomial, 2x plus 1 by 3. Now we're going to multiply this. We're going to multiply 3x first into 2x, first into 2x. This is a binomial multiplication that we have learned earlier, where we don't apply identities. 3x into 2x, 3 2's are 6, x into x is x square. So we finished multiplying 3x into 2x. Now we're going to multiply 3x into 1 by 3. That is from here, 3x into 1 by 3. Let's do that here and see. 3x into 1 by 3. So here can you see I can cancel the 3 and 3. So x into 1 is only x. So here I get into x. So I've got only this here. So this is the first part. So this is plus x because 3x we have already multiplied with this and then we have plus. Now I'm going to go to the next one. So again we have a plus sign here and I'm going to multiply 1 by 2 into 2x first. So let's do that. 1 by 2 into 2x. So cancel the 2's. So 1 into x is x. So I only have x here. Let's write plus x. Then I'm going to multiply this 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So we can multiply the numerator, that is 1 into 1 is 1, denominator is 2, 3's are 6. So I get 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So now I have two like terms here which I can work on. As I simplify, the rest of it will remain the same. So 6x square plus x is 2x plus 1 by x. So this is our answer. So when you cannot use an identity, do normal multiplication of binomials. Question 2. Here also, as you can see, the terms are different, so we cannot apply the identity. We do direct method of multiplying these two expressions. That is, we take the first term of the first expression, 2a, and we multiply it with the whole of the second one, that is 7a minus 0.3. Then we take the second expression plus 0.5 and multiply this with the whole of the second expression. So the second term with the second expression. Now let's multiply. So 2a into 7a first. So 2a into 7a. 2 into 7 is 14. A into a is a square. Minus, now we multiply 2a into 0.3. So let's multiply that here. 2a into 0.3. So 2 into 0.3. So how do we do that? That becomes 2 into 3, which is 6. And then there is one decimal place. So here also there should be one decimal place. So this will be 0.6. And then we have an a also. So this becomes 0.6a. Let's write it here. 0.6a. Now we go to the second one here. 0.5 into 7a. Plus, let's multiply now 0.5 into 7a. So multiply only 0.5 into 7, which is 5 into 7. 5 into 7 is 35, and then put one decimal point because here there is one decimal place after the point. So 3.5. So this is 3.5 and we have an a. So let's write that a plus 3.5a. Then we multiply 0.5 into 0.3. Let's do that. 0.5 into 0.3, that is 5 into 3, which is 15. And there are two decimal places, so our answer also should have two decimal places. So that is 0.15. And let's write that. That is minus 0.15. So here let's continue. Let's simplify. 14a square. And here we have like terms which we can work on. So that is minus 0.6a plus 3.5a. So here as you can see, one is minus, one is plus. So we put the sign of the bigger number, which is 3.5. So the sign is going to be plus and we subtract the two numbers. Let's subtract 3.5 and 0.6. So this becomes 2 and this is 15, 9, 2.9. So this is plus 2.9 and we have a. So let's write that plus 2.9a minus 0.15. So this is our answer, 14a square plus 2.9a minus 0.15. Question 3, 9 minus y into 7 plus y. So again the terms are different. The first term is different, so we cannot apply any identity. We're going to do direct multiplication. We're going to take the first term and multiply the whole of the second binomial with it. So that is 9 into 7 plus y. Then we're going to take the second term, which is minus y, into the whole of the second binomial, that is 7 plus y. Now let's do normal multiplication. First 9 into 7 and then 9 into plus y. So that will be 9 into 7 is 63. 9 into y is plus 9y. In the same way, here minus y into 7 first and then into plus y. So minus y into 7 is minus 7y. Minus y into plus y is minus y square. Now here, let's look at the like terms. These are the like terms, so we have to simplify that. So here we have 63 plus 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. So plus 2y minus y square. So this is our answer. Question 4. Again, let's do direct multiplication. Let's take the first term and multiply the whole of the second expression with it. So 2 into 15 minus z minus z. Take the second term and multiply the whole of the second binomial or the second expression. So here we're going to first multiply 2 into 15 and then 2 into minus z. So let's do that. 2 into 15 is 30. 2 into minus z is minus 2z. Then let's go to the next one. Here we have minus z first into 15 and then next into minus z. So minus z into 15 is minus 15z. Then minus z into minus z is plus z square. Now look out for the like terms. We have two like terms here. Let's simplify that. So this becomes 30 minus 2 Minus 15 is minus 17. Minus 17z plus z square. So this is our answer. Next one. So here again, we're going to take the first term and multiply it with the whole of the second expression. So this is a square into a square minus 3. Then take the second one, that is 5, and multiply it with a square. That is 5 into a square, the whole expression, a square minus 3. Now let's take the first term and multiply it first with this and then with the second term. So let's do that. A square into a square is a to the power of 4 minus a square into 3 is 3a square. Now take the next one, plus 5 into a square and plus 5 into minus 3. So that is plus 5a square. Plus 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Now take the like terms. These are the like terms. Okay, so let's simplify that. So let's continue. So this will be a to the power of 4 minus 3 plus 5 becomes plus 2. Plus 2a square minus 15. So this is our final answer. Sixth one also, let's do it the same way. Let's take the first term of the first expression and multiply it with the whole of the second expression or the second binomial. Now take the second term of the first expression minus ab, multiply it with the whole of the second binomial. So now first we're going to multiply 4 into 8 and then 4 into ab. So let's do that. 4 8s are 32 plus 4 into AB is 4AB minus, now here minus AB into 8 first, minus AB into 8 and then minus AB into AB. So minus AB into 8 is minus 8AB. Minus AB into plus AB will be minus A square B square. This is multiplication. Now let's look for the like terms. These are the like terms. So let's simplify. This is 32. Then we have plus 4 minus 8 becomes minus 4ab minus a square b square. So this is our final answer. Question 7. So here again, let's take the first term of the first binomial and multiply it with the whole of the second binomial, 7xy plus 9. Let's take the second term minus 7, multiply the whole here, 7xy plus 9. Again here, let's multiply 5xy first into the first term and then into the second term. So 5xy into 7xy. 5 7s are 35. X into x is x square. Y into y is y square. Plus 5xy into 9. First multiply the numbers. 5 9s are 45. Then you write xy. Let's take the next one. Minus 7 into 7xy and then into plus 9. So let's do the first one. Minus 7 into 7xy minus 7 7s are 49 xy. Then minus 7 into plus 9 minus 7 9s are 63. Again, look out for the like terms. We have xy and xy, so those are like terms. Let's simplify. So here this will remain as 35 x square y square. Now here plus 45 minus 49, this is the bigger number. So we put a minus sign, and 49 minus 45 is 4. So we write 4 and xy. So this becomes minus 4 xy minus 63. So this is our final answer. Question 8. So let's do the same thing here. We take the first term, that is 3a square, and multiply the whole of the second binomial, 8a square minus 3b square. Take the second term, that is minus 4b square, and multiply the whole of the second term. Second expression, 8a square minus 3b square. Now let's multiply 3a square into 8a square first. So let's do that. 3 into 8. 3 8s are 24. Then a square into a square is a to the power of 4. Now multiply this by minus 3b square. So that is minus 3 3s are 9. Then we have a square and b square. Let's go to the next one. Minus 4b square into first this. So let's write the sign is minus. 4 8s are 32. A square b square. Then we multiply that into minus 3b square. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3s are 12. B to the power of 4. Here like terms are these because they have a square, b square. So let's simplify. So this is 24 a to the power of 4. Now here we have minus 9 minus 32. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 32 plus 9 is 41. A square, b square. And what is left is 12 b raised to the power of 4. So this is our final answer. We will stop with this for now, children. In our next video, we will do the remaining questions. Thank you.